Dr. Smita Bhandare Kamath, an acclaimed academician, a celebrated author and columnist, illustrator, and researcher, but most importantly, shining bright in the majorly male dominated field of cartooning. Evescape, through this exclusive interaction, shines light on her incredible recent feat. Her presentation at the research conference of the prestigious United Nations Institute for Training and Research, or UNITAR. A proud moment for not only Goa but the entire nation. Wait to watch the story of this incredibly talented personality who carries herself with grace and humility.
Let us start with participation in the UNITAR.
Okay.
So tell us a bit about that.
So
And also expand that for us because
Okay.
for our viewers.
Fine,
Yes.
fine. Thank you, Rajeshri, for having me on your show. And let me begin with what UNITAIR is all about. It is United Nations Institute for Training and Research, and so they had a conference in December 2025, and I was invited to present a paper. The subject was about women cartoonists and their perception about the Arab world conflict. I had this good fortune and opportunity to present a paper, and moreover, I presented a topic which is very close to my heart. It's about women cartoonists and their perception about or narrative about conflict happening in Arab world. I look forward to participating more in such events happening. And the good thing is, with COVID, online presentation and all has become a part of our life now. So
Correct.
that really helps us to be more comfortable, being online and presenting your views. I think that's really good, and more people should opt for this sort of a thing.
We had the honor of having your cartoons in the Evescape.
Yes,
When we
yes,
started in 2012, I think
Yes.
since then you have been cartooning till the time it
Right.
was in print.
So we started with short stories and then
yes,
got
yeah,
into
both the things,
Yeah.
short stories and also Ustone. No? Ustone is something that you called
yes,
it.
yes, very
Yeah.
nice.
So from there, let's go to your field of cartooning. So what is it that made you become a cartoonist? Yeah.
So art runs in our family.
Yeah.
My father was a good cartoonist actually. Unfortunately, back then nobody really paid much attention, and he didn't have that sort of a platform. So
Okay.
he used to draw, and I used to contribute. And there was this little sort of a discussion that we used to have often when time would permit him to sit and draw. And then I was not into drawing at all. It's much later that because of work-related stress and other challenges, I needed something, to burst the stress. I needed a stress buster actually. And then I found myself getting it back into drawing. And then I tried different forms of drawing, and I don't know, somehow trial and error I got into cartooning, but I don't regret that.
But
at
that
all.
was how many years ago?
Internationally, I went ahead in 2019, but prior to that, in 2009, Herald had actually given me a column, Smile with Smita. I was giving illustrations, contributing illustrations to Goa Today,
Okay.
even for your
Yes.
magazine. So it's not like it didn't happen in the past, but not really in a big way. But not more at the local level. It's only when I participated in international
Yeah.
events that suddenly people said, "Oh, so she can draw."
Yeah.
It's not that my drawing is the best of the drawings, but it was a way of expressing, concerns that touched my heart and soul. So if you look at my work, it is basically covering socio-political and environmental, women issues in particular.
Correct.
So it was not about how good I am at drawing, it is how effectively I could, translate my thoughts into art. Because even drawing a stick figure, you can convey what it is. So it's more of a visual language rather than perfection. So I'm not claiming I'm a, artist par excellence, but yes.
कंटेम्पररी पॉलिटिक्साचे पळय तुमचे कार्टून्स येतात आणि विद्या सामके कॅची आणि कोणाक खबर ना तांकां सुद्दां तो एक सब्जेक्ट सामको एक इन दॅट वन शॉट यू आर एक्सप्लेनिंग द एंटायर थिंग सो देर आर मेनी विच आय कांट रिकलेक्ट नाव टू टेल यू विच वन सो ताजे बद्दल म्हाका थोडे कळपा जाय तुमचे कडल्यान
न्ही, एक असता न्ही कॅरिकेचर्स असता.
हय.
सो यू टेक द एसेन्स ऑफ द पर्सन अँड that is one way of looking at and portraying your thoughts about that particular personality. And the other is I like to do this as well. I like to play with the words. Like there are couple of in fact many cartoons where I am using words and I'm playing with them both phonetically as well as the actual literally the words and pictures. म्हणजे ते कितें जाता एक कॉम्बिनेशन जाता आनी एक तुका एक युनिक प्रोडक्ट जाता. सो तुका जर म्हजे आर्ट वर्क सुद्दां कळना जाल्यार वर्ड्स विल हेल्प यू आउट, एंड इफ वर्ड्स इज नॉट विल नॉट सफाइस देन यू revert to the art. So एक combination जाता आणि I think that's a unique way of portraying your ideas. The good thing is we are in a democratic country, so we can actually express. If you look at some of the other nations, because I have a huge network of cartoonists around the world, and we do have our own interactions happening, and where we share our thoughts and ideas, and many times I think, okay, in spite of all the challenges, we still have this opportunity as well as the liberty to express ourselves.
तुमकां अशें तुमकां कोणी अप्रोच करता भुरगीं येता बी आमकांय शिकपाक जाय कार्टूनिंग, सो यू आय थिंक यू कंडक्ट क्लासेस also, right? So what are those classes? How are they?
Classes meaning which is free, and I don't charge anything.
I know.
Not neither for my students or anybody who's interested, except that I don't have the time, frankly speaking. दूसरे की I cover all, I like to interact with the marginalized. Like I have workshops for women inmates, Pulware आमचे फाटले वर्स जाल्ले for the women inmates I had, where I used art, and it's not used just by me. It's a common practice where art serves as a mean and medium to express yourself. So if you look at various problems, psychological mantu, physical mantu, even I got into this basically to get rid of my stress. So it is a good way of expressing, and I have done a short-term course on art therapy as well. So it was a very see, the other thing Rajeshri is that you learn from others. So when I went, every time I interact with senior citizens, actually, I had taken my own students and we had an interactive session. So the students also exposed to people. So they, after the art, that was also an art therapy session for them. They had to talk about why did they pick up, let us say, a tree. How do you relate to that tree? So they also got young people to talk to, and you open up with strangers simply because you feel safe. And ती भुरगी म्हणते कसं उलोवंक शकता मजे. So that was a very good exercise for all of us.
Little bit to go back to the unit art. How much has it changed your perspective of the work that you are doing after being there and getting that recognition?
Yes, one is I see. One component is you have to get into research because you're into teaching, you need your promotion. So there is one element of compulsion. After that, there is always this option, I want to do or I don't want to do.
Okay.
And there comes a time when you feel, okay, I need to do. And the topic that I had picked up was a topic of my choice. So there was no compulsion for me at all because I have reached a professor's scale now. Beyond the element of compulsion, you would always want to take up things that you love. So since I was already interacting with a number of women cartoonists, and we were always discussing about this Arab conflict happening and how it's impacting day-to-day life and things like that. So then I thought, why not? I did a very short. It is an ethnography study. Where you're not using numerics, you're not using statistics data, things like that. It is more about getting opinion. It's a very rich data where you are not focusing only on how many percent said yes, no. Data is, numerical data is kept aside, and you are now asking and getting opinions, the expressions, experiences, lived experiences, their perception. Now this is a totally different way of looking at the same event. So if there is a war, you can study it in so many aspects. But then when you're doing a study like this, you are taking everybody's views into consideration. I think that's a very interesting way of researching, where you are, accepting the fact that truth have many variations. हे हांव आनी तूं आतां पळयता हांगाच, आमी दोगांय सेम पळयता. पूण तुजे विचार वेगळे आसतले based on all the experiences you have had in the past. Whereas I will look at it and still, but the element is the same.
Yeah.
But that's how I'm exploring, you know.
Hmm.
And then when I made the presentation, of course, I was totally nervous to
Hmm.
begin with. You know,
So how long did it take for you?
it took almost an hour.
Okay.
The most challenging part is when questions are thrown at you, and then you have to answer.
It was an online session, right?
Yes, after you present your work, then you have people asking you questions.
Okay.
So because this was something very close to my heart,
Correct.
so whatever you asked, I did have a response. So it was a very enriching session, definitely, and it also boosted my confidence.
So the more I know about it, the more I know about the challenges that you faced
Yeah,
to
and
get to that spot.
exactly,
Yeah.
and then you're not just representing
Correct.
Goa, you're
Correct.
representing India.
Correct.
So anything you say,
Yeah.
see, this is all about geopolitics. You may say in a totally different context, and things, but you really don't know. So it was like you said, nah, I really had to shoulder a lot of my contents. I had to edit, think about what would be the repercussion of this sentence, just as much as you would do for your own work, whether it is cartoon. The best, safest area where you can do exactly what you want is when you're writing fiction.
Fiction, yes.
Nobody's going to question you
Correct.
because it is work of fiction.
Fiction, yeah,
But
that's
if-
up to in your mind. But this is something that's happening like
Yes.
it's the circumstances of the times.
Right.
So that needs to be accurate, right?
Yes, factual
Yeah,
information.
factual
You have to
information.
cross verify.
Yeah.
All those sort of a thing. Like I said, you need to have that sense of dedication, and
Correct.
you need to have that discipline. This practice of
Correct.
uploading Hanuman was like happened in 2019 when the artwork that I sent randomly Hanuman Arshit's kadila with, and I sent it to one of the cartoon magazines in Turkey, and it was taken up on the cover page.
Oh.
आणि माहिती सगळे तुझे नाव
Okay.
तुझं आर्टवर्क ऑन अ कव्हर पेज वॉज अ ह्यूज थिंग फॉर मी.
It encourages you.
आणि म्हणाले,
Also.
"देवा, तू म्हाका पावलो."
Oh.
And with that, now then I just बरे चल शेनवार आता like you know I want to dedicate. this.
Okay.
So
But
Saturday.
every image is different.
Yes, every image is different.
Yeah, yeah. So how does that come, and te किदे म्हणून? What does it depict? That
No.
every image that you do.
Yes, one is I like to do. I did a short course on Madhubani.
Okay.
So a lot of my work will also reflect Madhubani thing. Sometimes when I see something, I can use it as a reference. Normally, I don't copy because it's not ethical. But you can draw inspiration. But you'll see none of my work has replicated anybody else's work. But you can draw inspiration, and like I said, every time I sit with it, I don't sit. I lie down on my bed and I draw. So every time I draw, something flows, and since I use an iPad, I can always revise it. Unlike when you're drawing on pen and paper, because if let us say you're drawing a component of your character, something goes wrong, then you have to redo the entire work, and then
So you're wasting a lot of paper also.
paper and then your time, effort.
Correct.
Because of one error, the whole work has to be shelved. So better like you use an iPad or any other.
Yeah, technology also has to be put to
Exactly,
use. So that's-
exactly.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that somehow it got into this.
ते
Part of
1000
my
चे सांगा,
routine.
ते 1000 किती
So today morning I uploaded 1211.
1211. Okay, from the time you started in 2019. Okay.
And I don't know, someone suggested, when I was just uploading, why don't you number it? I think it was my husband, Ajit. कितले झाले गो सदां घालता. हांवें म्हळें जाले आसतले रे 50-60. ना 50 जाले काय 60 जाल्या.
Okay.
You track it now. So that was another way of
Correct.
tracking your work.
Also
And-
documenting it properly, no?
Yes, yes.
So that you also know, you can learn from the past what you have done, and then you
Yes.
can keep doing what
Yes.
you want different. right?
Yes.
I didn't know it was running into 1000, and it is now going
No, I want to
Further.
apply for Guinness
Okay.
World
world. Yes, I think you
record.
need to do that.
कित्याक ते म्हाका टायमूय मेळना खरें सांगपाचें, and that is not the reason why I'm doing it. I'm doing it out of dedication.
Right. But then if there is a platform, I think you should put it up
येस
there.
येस
Yeah.
खूप जाणांनी म्हणिल्लें म्हाका ते तुजे रेकॉर्ड जाला ते
हय.
कर
हय.
हय करया कर.
how many women do you know in Goa or in India who are into real cartooning?
See, the top most name is of Maya Kamath. Recently, they had a competition, and my work is selected for that sort of a thing. But by and large, women they are not really encouraged. One is because it is always believed it is a
Male-dominated.
they don't have critical thinking ability, and there are a lot of assumption, and maybe they don't push their daughters. I probably got into this because my father used to encourage me,
Correct.
and he was telling me, "Mama pareoshi, nak kariya mama che." So as a growing up child, I realized that all you need to do is observe and then pick up, and then he used to put those domestic phrases that we used to have, happening at our house, in our house rather. So from there, I learned maybe informally from him about cartooning and all that sort of a thing, which may not happen by and large.
So any challenges that you can think of that are existing when it comes, because it is a male dominated
Most
field?
the countries.
Yeah, we know that. So थंय म्हणटा हांव म्हणजे आता तुझे कशें आसा, तुझे नॉट इंडियाचेच न्ही, यू आर ग्लोबली ऑल्सो यू आर इन्वॉल्वड विथ देम, and you have that circle, you are in that circle. So त्या circle तुम्ही अशी केन्ना उलयता की what are the challenges, because basically we want to know that किती challenge आसपाक शकता काय?
Biggest challenges, see, if you look at any of the media houses, you have men at the top, holding important positions. They are the ones who will decide whether I should carry your work or not. Of course, now with the internet, you are not dependent on anybody. You can just go ahead and
Publish
do it.
your work.
Yeah, like I'm doing, because there have been times when I've been told by the editors, you revise, this is like too strong, or see, sponsorship is also required. Let's get very realistic. So you have to be careful that you're not rubbing people on the wrong side, whether it's corporate houses or government or anybody. So they are not in a position, though they may be with you morally and in other aspects, but they also have their limitations. So the best is you open your own account. You can do it in your real name, or you can use a proxy.
Independently,
or
you're doing it.
Yes.
And you are free to do what you want as an independent
And take
person.
responsibility for
And
this.
take responsibility. Yes, definitely. Person like you, we know it comes, a lot of responsibility comes with your
Like
type
my
of-
husband tells me, "Thapad पटेल एक दिस कळपा सुद्धा ना."
तेही बी जाय आशिल्लें कळपाक की अशें केन्नाय कितें बॅकलॅश जाला की खंयचे तर तुमच्या वर्काचेर, स्पेशली वेन इट
Yes,
कम्स
yes.
टू पॉलिटिकल,
Yes.
कळ्ळें न्ही, बॅकलॅश कितें जाला, एक कितें अशें इफ यू कॅन टेल समथिंग
but I don't want to disclose about it. But like I said, the challenge is always there. You are putting up something in public domain. You will get compliments, but be also ready for the nasty comments that you may possibly get.
Okay.
So
that
you have to
means-
be a little thick-skinned if you want your work to speak for yourself, or rather be the voice of the voiceless. So if you look at my work now, I am actually more of an illustrator, where I read something and I say, this is what has happened to that child. This is what are we doing as a society. So I give a lot of material for people if they are serious about it to look at it and introspect. We all need to introspect.
Correct.
And cartoons are not restricted only to humor and
Correct.
something funny, and it does more than that.
हय, पूण तो एक हे लोकांचो एक समज आसा न्ही की दॅट इज इट इज ओनली अ फनी हे म्हणून एनेक्डोट, यू गेट ओनली like funny side of telling the
Cartoons
story.
more hasap.
Yeah, a humorous way of putting it up.
Yes.
But then of late we have seen that serious topics are covered, and especially in your cartoons, so many serious topics.
Yes.
And you have bluntly said what you have to say.
Yes.
But in that one-liner says it all.
Yes.
But your the caption that you put that says it all. So it's very interesting, this, and I think there is lots to talk about it. Although we may have constraint of time at this point of time, I think we need to go further and talk. But one or two last questions that if I may ask you is, you are a professor, and so थंय तुमकां खुबशे प्रिपरेशन्स आसता करपाचे, तातूंत भितर हे आनी हाका कर टायम ना, एक कितें तर टॉपिक आयलो which is standing out in the state of Goa or in the country, you just take it up and do it. So हे दोन्ही balance कशें जाता?
Yes, like I was just telling you, you work hard or you work smart. The choice is yours. So you learn to work smart. You learn to manage your time. You learn how to effectively use the limited resources that are available, and you also learn to balance eventually. And fortunately now my kids have grown up, so I have more time on hand. Being a mother is also, and a working lady.
that was a phase when I was really stressed out, trying to keep up. And the worst thing is that you want to talk about injustice happening, and you want to, be a voice
Correct.
there as well.
Yeah, and as you rightly said, voice of the voiceless. That is very important.
Because-
And ताजे खातीर तुका तें
हाँ,
you have to have that actually that whole the study of that whole topic.
बरोबर.
त्या सब्जेक्टाचे सगळे ग्रास्प करूनच मागीर तुका तें डिलिव्हर करचें पडटा.
Ultimately, you have to listen to your heart.
Your heart, yeah. That is
Then the path will open up for you. Jenna, there's nothing happening here. There's a vacuum here. Then you'll have a lot of excuses.
Mostly, I'm concerned about the degradation of our environment, which is happening rampantly. जाता लोक रस्त्यार आसा. So, तू as a cartoon, I'm just talking to you as a cartoonist only. What would be your like कितें अशें येता तुजे दोळे मुखार जेन्ना हें
Yeah,
सगळें
I feel
पळोवन?
very sad, what happens to the next generation and the generation after that.
We
This is
feel
something
worried.
we have to visualize. We are the custodians. If we don't take charge, and this is not just lip service. See, I don't expect, people to be, devoting their life and all that. But each one can do one small aspect. Like my conscience pricks me, I draw. If I can write, time permits, I write.
You right,
So
right.
I am doing what I can, but I don't expect my family or the members of society to have the same sort of pricking of the conscious, which may happen. Like you have the activists. How is it that we have only a very handful of activists because their conscious is pricking?
Correct.
It's urging them,
Yes.
you go ahead.
Yeah,
So
and
the
that is
good
very
thing,
needed.
Rajeshri, is that I interact with the youngsters.
Right.
So
You
can influence them in a way.
Correct. And you are
it's
in a
not just
position
about-
to
yes.
frame their
Yes.
frame.
So out of the
mind.
300 that you're teaching for a year or whatever, couple of years, of course thousands of students have studied under me. But you can touch, even if you touch a few souls, you really don't know how much you have contributed in two cents. So I think that's very important, and I share my work with my students, and subjects like business environment and all. I have discussions with them, so I get to know what they feel about cartoons. Of course, they are the generation that is consuming memes, where they think that's
Actually, there are a lot of creativity in that also. No,
Yes.
that is happening.
Yes.
Although we may
yes.
You
I'm
and-
not undermining that,
correct.
but I am of the opinion that
Yeah.
anybody can use AI and generate
that
thoughts.
is yeah.
If you're doing a cartoon, you are signing there in your name. That means you are.
It is just genuine work of yours. it
Yes,
should be.
and if anybody is accountable, I'm accountable.
Correct.
It is my work.
correct.
Whereas if I can generate n number of AI, sort of a thing. Not that I want to undermine anybody's creativity, but the fact remains, somebody has to take onus. Somebody has to bear, and be accountable for
Be
the work
accountable.
that is being,
That is
circulated.
most important. Accountability.
Yes, that
Yes.
sense of accountability at all levels is very important. Like you're talking about the degradation that is happening. People should be held accountable.
So, Dr. Smita, as we end this conversation, I would want you to give a small message to the youth and especially to the women who look up to you as a role model.
I think basically I will preach what I'm practicing. You have to be true to yourself. You have to listen to what your conscience is instructing you, and then you will always have the determination, and everything will work out for you. आम्ही कितें जाता, we get influenced by, and then we somehow miss the bus म्हणटा तशी. आणि but if you're very true in all aspects, then I think you will reach your destination. Is what I have experienced, and I believe everybody can. Whatever you have prescribed for yourself, or you have set goals for yourself, you have to work in that direction. First and foremost, you need to know what are your true goals. आवय बाबू सांगता ना तू इंजिनियर जा रहे, डॉक्टर जा रहे, and then suddenly in one day, as you are in the middle of something, you realize this is not my calling. So we also as parents, of course, now there is a lot of awareness.
Correct.
This is not like how it was during our times.
Anything that you want to do in future? What are your plans now? If you can disclose some.
I'm
plans.
hoping to open a cartoon academy,
Lovely.
and I want to have workshops.
That would be the first one,
yes,
right? In Goa.
yeah, in Goa,
In Goa.
yes. And
Okay.
I would like to do a lot of work with the marginalized section, and like you said, even you would like to collaborate with inmates,
Inmates, yeah.
prisoners,
Yes.
street children. Now these are the people. Society is also equally responsible, which we tend to overlook. I'm hoping to have a very structured academy, or cartoon academy, then maybe I'll get into research as well. I'll encourage research in cartooning, and it will be an integration and interaction of education, research, art therapy, workshops, something of that nature.
Actually, it is very inspiring. Somebody like you inspire. If you inspire me, I know how many women you inspire, and we wish you all the best in your future pursuits that you want to, and anything that you want to do. If we can be associated with you, we'll be always glad
Thank you so
to.
much. You have always been very supportive.
And we would want to be part of that. And also म्हणतात तशें की तुजी ते सोशल पळय आसा एक तुजे काळजांतल्या भितरल्यान येता पळय ते लोकांक लागून भुरग्यां खातीर बायलां खातीर ते अशेंच उरुनी आनी हाजे मुखार बरें
Thank you so
ते
much.
बरें जावनी ताजें आनी ताजे भरपूर फ्रूट मेळून वॉट इज द फ्रूट दॅट यू गेट इज वेन यू सी समथींग हॅपनिंग एंड द रिजल्ट ऑफ वॉट यू हॅव टॉयड फॉर दॅट इज ऑल यू नीड बिकॉज यू एंड somebody like you and is never bothered about what monetary gains, about any monetary gains. We know you for so many years. We are glad we had you with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for this opportunity, and thank you for all the support. It's, I think, almost 2 decades that we are interacting, and
Yes.
it's been a long journey,
Long
but a fruitful
journey.
one.
Yes.
Thank
you very much.
Yeah, thank you.